Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of LED segment display for industrial indicator. First, sweep the dedicated plastic film mold of the PCB with tin and make it evenly cover on it. Second, put the PCB into the LED soldering machine and the LEDs will automatically be soldered onto the surface of the PCB by the machine. Third, let the PCB pass through the reflow solder machine to make LEDs fixed on the PCB. Fourth, put the pins into the holes of the PCB by hand. Fifth, press the heads of the pins with the pressing machine and solder them with tin. Sixth, quality test. Check if there is any fault. Seventh, put the cover film onto the surface of the plastic cover. Eighth, assemble the plastic cover and the PCB together. Ninth, quality check and packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.